guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I want to showcase to you all the coins and just strategies that we are doing on the 8x6600 XT rigs. Actually 9, which thank you to the Mining King. He has lent us another 6600 XT rig, sorry, 6600s to mining Ravencoin. Okay, I didn't have enough rigs because we just did a live stream explaining and getting your guys' opinions, and I was talking with you guys perspectives of which coins to pick here for the long term. So we have ultimately decided on Dynex, Flux, Ergo, Alephium, and Zil. Okay, this rig is triple coin mining. I'll show you guys the settings in a second. Neoxa, Nexa, Neurai, all right, X and A, Clore AI, and Kapow, which is actually, we're mining on Nicehash. I'm going to explain why I still have this rig on Hive OS and not on like Nicehash OS or Windows. I'll explain that in a bit here. Okay, and then as well, I wanted to go through some like theoretical stuff here. So I went ahead and made my portfolio on CoinGecko. All right, so I have two different portfolios here. One is for mining yield for the rigs, okay? All the different coins that we're mining here, Bitcoins, that's for Nicehash, Zilliqa, Ravencoin, Flux, Dynex, Ergo, Nexa, Neoxa, Alephium, Neurai, Clore AI. And then I have a second portfolio down here. So it's the bought coin of the rigs. Okay. So instead of, buying the rigs, okay. So my baseline was a 6x6600 XT rig with a mining cave starter kit setup. Okay. 6 GPU starter kit setup. And so altogether the price was around $1,400. All right. As of now, if I were to buy something like that right now, including shipping and whatnot, it'd be average around $1,400. That's what I've concluded. So I went ahead and made this portfolio with $1,400 holdings. Okay. I did this about 4 hours ago. You can see Dynex is already up. This, $1,400. If I were to buy the coin, okay, instead of buying the mining rig, it's already gone up like $59 over the past 4 hours. I thought that was pretty funny. But then as we go down, my Clore AI, Neoxa, Alephium, Neurai has gone down a bit here. Neurai has really gone down $105 at the past 4 hours. I thought that was pretty funny. But just, this is why I want to do this as a long-term test. Okay, so this portfolio is good, but then my mining yield portfolio. Okay, so this is where the fun begins. Okay, so for the next, I don't know, probably 2-3 years, I'm just going to be mining and hodling all of these coins up until we see price appreciation, I guess, for not, I'm not expecting all of them to go up at the same time. Maybe in the bull run, they're generally going to go up, but this is just something that, something fun I want to do, and, to see long-term, which coin, the coins that I'm mining here. Okay, it's obviously not all of them. I wish I had, hundreds of 6600 XTs. I could set them all up on other, other coins for long term. But these are the coins that I guess are kind of more prominent these days in terms of, I guess a lot of people that are mining these days, GPU mining. And so generally, we just want to see if this is going to be good in the long term in terms of the mining yield. Okay, another thing I'm going to compare is also with the mining rig itself. So the $1,400 mining rig, that if it will price appreciate in the future as well. Okay, so if the bull run comes, maybe the AI narrative is going to take off and AI is going to be huge, or maybe there's going to be another silicon shortage or the GPU shortage, or Nvidia is going to manipulate the market and withhold GPUs, right? To, supply and demand, make GPUs a lot more expensive, right? That could happen again. So what I'm doing here is we're going to be able to see a lot of strategies when it comes to GPU mining. Okay, in this sense here, this is a kind of like a good way to see which one would generally do well long-term, like either buying the coin or, buying the hardware now and mining and hodling. Plus, I am going to keep track of all the electric. Okay, so I'm going to combine. Actually, I'm just going to go to my PDU, look at how much amps I'm using, and I'm just going to pretty much put all that together. You can see here, Hive OS reports, between 300 to 377, 386 max. So, I mean, these rigs, some of these rigs take 350 watts at the wall. Some of them take 450. So I'm just going to be like combining them all together and then just see how much money I've been spending on electric versus all the yield that I've been hodling. And hopefully that, the next couple of years, that we're going to see some price appreciation or not, right? This could all go to zero. That's why I'm doing this fun test, but also yielding all the coins here that, in case one of them takes off or a couple of them takes off, maybe Dynex, maybe Neoxa, maybe Nexa, maybe Neurai, maybe any one of these coins could take off. And it would be fun to see, right? The percentage difference of, hey, yeah, okay, it would have been best to mine this coin, it would have been best to mine that coin. But obviously, future results will not be, I guess, indicative of previous history. Who knows, right? Things change all the time. This is just a fun, like, theoretical play that I'm doing. I guess the mining that I'm doing here is not theoretical. It's the bot coin, all right? The holding portfolio here is theoretical, okay? If I were to put $1,400 into each coin, which again I did 4 hours ago. You guys can see the P&L here. It's already the difference here because the coins are very volatile, obviously. But this is just really fun to see something like this, right? And then once I start the next month, okay, I'll have another update in a month, and I will take a snapshot of all the coins. I'll put my holdings in here. And yeah, actually, it's all done by transactions. So I wonder if there's some way I can like import all this. It's going to be quite a lot of work to add a transaction. Okay, it looks like there's no like, oh, okay, that might be hard. I might have to figure that out later. But anyways, guys, I want to show you here all the rigs. Okay, so all the rigs here that are mining. Okay, so let's show you Dynex. All right, this 6600 XT rig. Okay, I know some people are going to be like, Red Panda, your overclocks are wrong. Guys, you know what? I've had them stable now. That's all. I'm not going to change them or anything. They're really good so far. I really think these are good settings for my GPUs. I've had some really fun times overclocking here over the past couple 8 hours. I spent the whole day on this basically. So anyways, here's the flight sheet. I'm using SRB Miner because the new version of SRB Miner 2.3.7 has given a lot more hash rate for AMD cards as well as NVIDIA cards. So nothing special in my flight sheet here. I'm not using any extra parameters here. Okay, as you guys can see, just the stock one. For AMD cards, the overclocking is all done. The parameters will be done through the overclocking in HiveOS. Okay, so this rig is good. Mining on deepminers.com. Look at this. Okay, so here's the rig here. All right, so if I refresh it, okay, this is the rig, 20.56 kilohash. That's what's reporting pretty much on this rig here. Okay, 20.84, but it fluctuates a bit. Anyways, so you can see here, I'll have a pending balance 0.2 Dynex. So it's obviously, like I said, I just started 4 hours ago, and yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this. Okay, now, second rig will be the Flux rig. Okay, so we're mining Flux. Now, this will be a coin, I guess, something good to compare against Dynex, as it seems like a lot of people wanted to see that comparison. We talked about that in the live stream. So I'm able to get about 29 to, I think I was getting like 30 souls at one point. I'm using LOL Miner. We are mining to luckyminers.io. Okay, I really love their dashboard. I was checking out mining pool stats. I wanted to choose a mining pool that had really good web GUI, and it looks like luckyminers.io had, you know, they show the rewards here, the PA as well. Parallel assets, I thought that was pretty interesting. Already have 0.02 on each one, so extra payment there. And you know, just to see how long, you know, if this will do great long term, right? This is what basically you want to do. So workers here, you can see Tower 02. So that looks to be all well and good. Okay, now the next coin is gonna be, now this is the triple coin mining rig. Okay, so here are the overclocks I'm using, and this is gonna be funky. The flight sheet is interesting. Okay, so let me show you in case anyone's interested. But regular flight sheet, Ergo will be the first coin. Okay, I'm mining the 2 miners on that one. I can show you right here. Okay, so Ergo pool, what seems to be going pretty good. Then the dual coin will be Alephium. Okay, Alephium wallet, and then the pool. I had to configure in the pool in the miner, the second coin tab here, because Cloud ICO was mining just to support them. They just got a Alephium pool up, and so I'm mining to them. You know, got to keep the hash rate decentralized. I think you guys should too if you're going to do Alephium. And then the second coin, okay, not the first coin. The parameters, I don't have anything on the first coin. You guys can see here. Second coin, the parameters for Zill. Okay, we're also Zilliqa mining. Thank you to a gentleman in the live stream that mentioned it and sent me an email, sent me a screenshot of all this. It's working great. It's working great. So yeah, Cloud ICO, I'm mining Alephium on this pool here. Looks like I already have, I don't see any balance yet. And then we got Zilliqa. I'm mining on Crazy Pool. Okay, look at this. Worker 0. Okay, so that's the name. But yeah, reported 184 mega hash. And it's mining some Zilliqa as well. So this one rig is mining 3 different coins. And here, yeah, again, my parameters. Okay, I had to have this for Zilliqa. And it seems to be working pretty good. Okay, overview. Here's the rig, all right? So we're doing 350 mega hash Ergo, 2.7 gigahash Alephium, and I think 180 or something around on there for Zilliqa. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Now, next rig is going to be the Neoxa rig. Look at this Neoxa. A lot of people love this coin. So do I. Did a lot of gaming on this. Did the Rust tournament. I love it. I love Neoxa. We got these are my settings here. 16.43 mega hash below, about 65, 67 watts at the wall, I think. And mining on hero miners for this one. Okay, so I'm supposed to get, I think daily, they said about 450 Neoxa a day. So about $1.27 USD. Again, I'm doing this agnostic to profitability. I don't really care about, I'm not caring about profitability or anything. We're mining and yielding for long term. So this is why it's good to see, generally long term, if we're mining when, it's not profitable, when some of these coins are not profitable, that there's a chance that I'm mining these because I'm getting a lot more yield in a sense. So if the coin decides to 10x, 100x, it could do better than some of these other coins, right? We don't know. We don't know. But anyways, going back to here, okay, the Neoxa rig, I don't have anything special in the flight sheet. Yeah, very, very normal, very easy. You can see here just like that. Okay, now let's go to the next rig. It's going to be the Nexa rig. All right, Nexa. I am mining to Vipor.net. Okay, look at this. Vipor.net, Tower 05. I'm getting 150 mega hash. Okay, 150 mega hash. You can see here. And then if we go to here, okay, there's my settings I'm using. So I did try to do 1900 core, 1800 core. I tried to get 30 to 32 mega hash. But the BZ miner kept crashing for me for some reason. I don't know why. I tried Wild Rig Miner, but Wild Rig Miner was giving me lower hash rate. And I think LOL Miner wasn't doing great as well. But BZ Miner seems to be a bit better in hash rate for me on this rig. Let me know down below if you guys are mining Nexa. But yeah, it seems to be working now. Again, I was having some issues with it, but now it's okay. Past 5 hours. It's been good. Okay, now next rig, XNA. All right, Neurai. All right, this is another Kapow algo. I'm using Team Red Miner, and I'm mining to Wooly Pooly. Look at this. So far, I've mined 268 Neurai. All right, Neurai's had some price appreciation recently, but also did have a little bit of a dip the past 4 hours. I'm already minus $135 on this buying the coin 4 or 5 hours ago. So I'm already down quite a bit. It looks like I bought it at the wrong time looking at this chart here, but that's okay. That doesn't matter. All right, so that's Neurai. Okay, I'm mining the Wooly Pooly. Next one is Clore AI. Here's my settings. Another Kapow coin, pretty much the same, getting 16 mega hash. And here's my flight sheet, nothing different here. Okay, now if we go to Vipor.net, this is where I'm mining Clore AI. So it looks like I've mined thus far 1.5 Clore. It says 5 cents. Let's see, estimated, I'm supposed to get maybe 4.5, oh no, 24 hours will be 27 Clore AI a day. So that'll be about 82 cents a day. That's probably still updating. I think it'll probably be more. According to hashrate.no, I'm supposed to get about, I think, 34 Clore a day, I think around there. And that'll be about $1.02, $1.14 a day or something, but just pennies. We're talking about pennies here. The whole point is holding it for long term. Okay, now the last rig. Actually the second last rig. This is the Nicehash rig. Okay, Nicehash. So this is mining to a Nicehash rig. Okay, I'm Nicehash, brand new Nicehash account. All right, and I am supposed to get about, it says estimated 96 cents a day. Okay, on this 6600 XT rig. Okay, so I haven't seen, obviously, like I said, I'll have another month update. We'll see how much Bitcoin this has mined. All right, this is basically for base profitability. All right, I know that there's actually, if we go to hashrate.no, actually, we can see that Dynex is the most profitable coin. So technically, I should be, or Conceal maybe, I should be mining these coins instead on 6600 XTs. So it's kind of, yeah, like Nicehash is, Nicehash Kapow. That's the next profitable, 92 cents. Okay, below Radiant even. Lithium, Neurai, these are more profitable than Nicehash. So in a sense, but I have it on here on HiveOS because when I went to the Nicehash profitability earnings here, you can see that Kapow is pretty much 66%, always profitable. Then there's always, then the 34% is Dagger Hashimoto sometimes. But I was hard pressed. I did not want to move this rig off of HiveOS. I didn't want to move it on Windows. I didn't want to move it on like NHOS, the Linux version, or Quick Miner, So I'm just I don't know. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. You guys gotta let me know down below if I should really figure this out as what's the best way to do to get like a baseline profitability. Now, a lot of people said rainbow miner. All right, so that's maybe something I could figure out down the road here. I've never played with it. I know there's a pretty big setup for it. I know Retro Mike has done videos on it. I will consult him, see if it's easy. We can get that done probably sooner so that we don't destroy this this theoretical test all at the same time here. Okay, now the final rig I have. Thank you to Mining King for this. He's given me the 6600s, pretty much 6600 XTs. So we are mining Ravencoin. This is a long-term test here. Okay, actually, hold on. I just wanted to see something. Did I get the wrong? I showed the wrong rig before. Anyways, it's the same. Anyway, we're mining Kapow. This is Kapow Ravencoin. All right, so we had a fun time deciding if we wanted Clore AI or Ravencoin. And Mining King, I was gonna remove either one of them, right? But because I didn't have enough rigs, and so Mining King was gracious enough to give us another rig here and have it to mine Ravencoin full time. So I have my own address here, and we're mining long term for this rig. And I'm mining it to, let's see, Ravencoin will be on. Oh, I don't have it up here. Okay, so I don't have. I didn't put that up, but that's going to be on 2 miners. All right, Ravencoin on 2 miners. And that's going to be pretty cool. So we got a lot of different coins here mining for long term. I want to know what you guys think. I know that there was a lot of people in the live chat that they wanted, you know, this coin or that coin. And I'm sorry, again, I just don't have enough rigs to, you know, distribute to other coins. But I think this is good enough. All right. If you guys don't think so, if some of you don't think so, let me know down below. But I think this will be a fun test for long term. The mining strategy of mining and hodling versus, you know, just buying the coin instead. All right, this is really cool. There'll be something cool to see versus this, you know, when the bull run comes or something. And we'll do monthly updates. I'm going to figure out the Excel part of it as well, kind of like keep track of everything as best as I can. And yeah, I guess there's a lot of, there could be a lot of factors and actually a lot of disclaimers as well. But yeah, a lot of stuff that we can use this info here and just, you know, come to conclusions on certain things. So anyways, guys, that's it for this video. And oh, forgot to mention, if you are mining Dynex right now, Deep Miners is doing a 30-day contest. Okay, 4 lucky winners, 3 drawings for $200 in Dynex and 1 drawing for $400 in Dynex, and also 3 Deep Miners flags for second prize winners in USA, and also 3 for overseas from Yeti. And so we just did a live stream picking a winner for $200 in Dynex. All right, so get your hash rate over to deepminers.com, guys. Awesome mining pool, works really well. Getting a lot more Dynex here. It works really good compared to a few pools I've tested so far, so it's pretty good. Deep Miners is in 7th place. Let's get them up here, guys. Distribute the hash rate. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think here. It's really cool to see all the coins here. But it's going to be really cool to see the results as we go on for the next couple years. All right. So be a fun time, guys. Hopefully this will all turn into $1 million and can sell it all. I don't think so, but hey, for fun. All right, my friends, have a good one. Peace out.